If you're helping a younger child with fractions, the words numerator and denominator can feel confusing. I'm Marie from This Child Can, and I'll show you a simple way to introduce these words gently while keeping the meaning really clear. Let's introduce the numerator and the denominator. When younger children first meet fractions, I wouldn't start with the words numerator and denominator. I'd start with what they can see. This is called 3/4. It has a number on the top and a number on the bottom. At first, I'd just call them the top number and the bottom number. That gives your child something simple to hold on to before we add the longer vocabulary. Let's start with the bottom number, the 4. In 3/4, the bottom number is 4, and that tells us that the whole has been split into 4 equal pieces. So I would say, the 4 tells us that there are 4 equal pieces altogether. And I'd really emphasize equal pieces, not just pieces, because if the pieces are not the same size, the fraction doesn't work properly. So for now, your child only needs this idea. The bottom number tells us how many equal pieces there are altogether. Now let's look at the top number. The top number tells us how many of those pieces we have. In 3/4, the top number is 3. That means we have 3 of the 4 equal pieces. So 3/4 means there are 4 equal pieces altogether, and we have 3 of them. And for a younger child, I'd stay with that for a while before adding the formal words. Once your child can point to the picture and explain what the top and bottom numbers mean, only then would I introduce the proper maths words. You might say, mathematicians have names for these numbers. The bottom number is called the denominator, and the top number is called the numerator. I wouldn't give your child 2 big words before they understood the idea. Instead, we're attaching the words to something they already know. And a simple way to remember which is to use this helpful phrase. Denominator is down. Denominator starts with D and it sits down at the bottom. And when you're teaching concepts like the numerator and the denominator, keep the numbers small at first because big fractions can look scary. Remember, we're just trying to get to the point where your child thinks, oh, I know what those numbers are doing, which is my favourite part, the light bulb moment. The key message is to link the word numerator with top number and number of pieces we have. Then link denominator with the words down and bottom number and explain that this tells us how many equal pieces we have altogether. In this video, we've seen that for younger children, it helps to build the meaning before introducing long words. Start with top number and bottom number, learn what they do, and only then add the proper vocabulary. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe to This Child Can for more calm, practical explanations for parents, tutors, and teachers. And I'd love to know in the comments, have you found a simple phrase or picture or object that helps younger children understand the difference between top and bottom numbers in a fraction?